I want the dinosaur.
Fuck that guy.
This guy's been using the fucking bus lane. He's a fucking truck. Yeah, mate, I need to go left too, but I didn't fucking abuse it like you stupid.
Toasty!
Number one, don't know where you're going. Number two, let's block the kip clear.
Oh, fuck. Scared the living shit out of me.
A quarter century, you should know already. You know what's right and wrong.
Seriously.
I'm all over this fucking shit.
Fuck's sake.
I think there's anything here. Yes, there is. Oh, look, two of the same cars.
Yeah, you come in the wrong way, mate, because you're a fucking special cunt.
Rolling in at Triple M's $50,000 no repeat workday.
Triple M's Marty Sheargold Show featuring
Can we dare to dream?
Marty Sheargold.
Sniffer dogs are here.
Show for grown-ups.
Absolutely love your show, Alan.
Solutions apply. Hyundai. For top shelf mates or $10 mates, nobody beats Dan Murphy's. Shop all favourites or
What a
discover something
fucking
new with our
stupid
Rolls
piece of
with
shit
the price
you are.
guarantee.
Literally every single female in the room has been given a key before the wedding, went up and put it in a...
Completely off the road. Don't know if you can see it, but yeah, down that side there. So something huge has happened here. I don't know what. Don't know if it was a chase or something, but fuck, that car's on the opposite side of the road, but the road's also closed here, so something huge has happened. That car's gone over the fucking railing. Damn.
It was out of here.
blind or stupid, mate?
Fucking idiot.
I rang Shane and left a message and he hasn't called me back.
You take me to him. Take me to the son of a bitch. Take me to him. Come on. Go, go, go.
A big truck, small penis, 24 years as a union machinist. The teeniest wieners is always the meanest ones. Dual wheels, a turbo diesel, running down dogs, raccoons, and weasels. That F-350 sure will get the job done. And that's the way it's always been. Big truck, small penis. Drinks beer, that's the way it's always been. Big truck, small penis.
Can't come through the red light.
I told Amy as well when I put the treatment in my hair after I wash it, if I put some in your hair too. I told her last time I went, but I meant to tell you. Because she asks all the time if I need more.
You didn't stop.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
He's turning right, dickhead. What the fuck's wrong with you?
Stupid SUV drivers.
Episode basically, but there are a couple of things before we go that I'd like to do.
Oh, well done,
I'd like to mention that for those of you who
pedestrian crossing so we don't get an arrow.
You can't go. The
Of course
guy
you
in
can.
the red.
Cut through the roundabout because they couldn't go round, so they went the wrong way.
No way he just did that.
Yep, got it on camera.
You dumb son of a bitch!
And suspend critical thinking, which is what you know, sugar and carbohydrates that create glucose. And
hold the audio on. I need assistance. My windows need replacing, and it's hasta la vista, baby, to my sliding door. But thanks to JP Glass,
where they're coming from. Good little. There we go, Scotty. There's an oldie for you. Little old hawk.
Manual recording will now start.
We've got that. Plenty different stuff there. I got those paddle boat things. I mean, a couple of hours away.
Manual recording.
Skippy.
Oh, give me
Frighten the fuck out of me.
Frighten you, frighten me. Stay there. Oh, here we go. This is what they did one night when I was coming home from work. Them and the clocks in the middle of the road for about 5 minutes.
Oh, here come a gutser. That'll teach you, fucking Skip.
He fell over, we didn't have to do it. What's that over there?
Skip.